Hey everyone! Welcome back to another insightful episode where we dive deep into the world of investments. Today, let's dive into the top 5 investment mistakes that beginners like me often make. These are the pitfalls that can derail your financial journey if you're not careful. Trust me, steering clear of these can save you not just money, but a lot of stress too. It's all about making informed decisions and learning from the experiences of others. First up, expecting too much. This is a common mistake where beginners think they can get rich overnight. When I first started investing, I thought I was going to double my money in no time. I had high hopes and dreams of quick gains. But here's the thing. Investing is a marathon, not a sprint. It's a long-term game that requires patience and persistence. You've got to set realistic expectations and remember what works for someone else might not work for you. Everyone's financial situation and goals are different. Next, not having clear investment goals. This is crucial because without a clear goal, your investments lack direction. This one hit me hard. I was investing without a clear purpose, and it showed in my results. Without a goal, it's like heading out on a road trip without a map. You need a destination to guide your journey. You need to know where you want to go with your investments, and make sure your strategy aligns with your long-term life plans. This alignment is key to staying on track. Now, onto the third mistake, failing to diversify enough. Diversification is a fundamental principle in investing. Ever heard the saying, "Don't put all your eggs in one basket"? It's a timeless piece of advice that holds true in the investment world. Well, it's 100% true for investing. Spreading your investments across different assets can help mitigate risks. If you put all your money in one stock or sector, you're setting yourself up for a rocky ride. Market volatility can be unpredictable. Diversification is key to balancing the risk. It helps smooth out the ups and downs of the market. Mistake number 4, focusing on the wrong kind of performance. It's easy to get caught up in the short-term ups and downs. The daily fluctuations can be distracting and stressful. But what really matters is how your investments perform over the long haul. Long-term performance is what builds wealth. Keep your eyes on the prize and don't get swayed by the noise. Stay focused on your long-term goals and ignore the short-term market noise. And finally, buying high and selling low. This is a classic mistake driven by emotions. It might sound counterintuitive, but it's a common trap. Emotions can cloud your judgment and lead to poor decisions. When the market dips, a lot of people panic and sell. And when it's high, they buy out of fear of missing out. This behavior can be detrimental to your portfolio. Stick to your plan and make rational, not emotional decisions. Having a solid plan helps you stay grounded during market fluctuations. Remember, every investor makes mistakes, but the key is to learn from them and not repeat them. Each mistake is a learning opportunity. Investing is a journey, and the more informed you are, the smoother your ride will be. Knowledge is power in the world of investing. So take these tips, avoid these beginner traps, and start your investment journey on the right foot. Thanks for watching. Your financial future is in your hands. Catch you in the next one. Stay tuned for more tips and insights to help you navigate the world of investing.